Hello everyone, this is Dark Knight Level 8, also known as Ryukaze1 on my YouTube, and I'm going to be coming to you today with a simple Windows Forms tutorial for Visual C# 2010 Express. Let's start by making a new project, just naming it Forms. I apologize if you can hear my mother in the background or my bird is chirping very, very loudly and the phone's ringing and my little brother has a friend over. Alright, well, it's going to default look like this. And you can adjust it, make it weird size, and unlike the making windows in Java you have to actually declare classes in the code in the source, and you have to get the size set and everything, not in C# because Microsoft has insane dev tools. Let's open the toolbox you'll see on the left here. If you don't have the toolbox, you can click that and I believe it'll place it. But let's look at the button. Click button, click somewhere off there, and you place it on here. Let's resize this. Let's do a simple. Sorry, I just ate some salty food, so my voice is a little raspy. If you double click on the button, it automatically generates a private void button one click. Object sender event arguments E, and also in the physical somewhere in here the designer.cs, it gets it all set up for you. But down here you can see you've got properties, so I can rename button 1. Let's rename that to box. And when it clicks, let's show message box dot show arguments of string s. The button was clicked. Save. Easy enough. I think we can get into showing other forms, but like the toolbox is your best friend because everything. I was talking to my other friend the other day, and he does a lot of Java and he does a lot of in-game Minecraft stuff, so he was looking at this trackbar slider, and he was on join.me and he watched me just pull the slider out of the toolbox. He's like, what? That took me 3 hours to do in Java. So there's some upturns to this. I don't know, I do a tiny bit of Java, not that much. Alright, let's add a new form. So instead of a class, Windows form, I don't care. Form 2. I don't care if that's the name. Let's make this just put a label. Label is just free floating text. This is a secondary form. Smaller. No, you can't minimize it on the top or on the side because that's where it comes out. Now let's change button one click to show this. To do that, you're going to have to make an object reference. So form 2 f equals new form 2. and that says, hey, f inherits the same properties as form2, and then you want to do f.show. In VB, I don't think you have to do an object reference. I don't know, I haven't done that much VB. I personally don't like it, because it's weird. Alright, click the box, form2 pops up. This is the secondary form. Now note, don't crash on me, cannot access dispose object. Oh, I know what you mean. It's because I was trying to call it once and then call it again. So if we click box, and then we close the main form, it closes them both, because F is childing, or F, basically when you're closing one, you're shutting all this off, and so the method that's keeping F on screen isn't running anymore, so that's why it disappears. Well, that's basic forms tutorial. I'm probably going to get more, and I'm going to get way more in-depth since I love forms more than console. And I hope you'll subscribe. We kind of need it right now. I'm not begging for subs. You don't have to if you don't want to, but we're trying to grow. And there's 3 of us. There's me, Urzcall, and Canny FC. So, yeah, hope you sub, and I hope this helped you. Look out for future videos definitely coming. I think possibly 1 to 2 a day. No promises.